Welcome to Virtual Tours Creator. My name is Tom, and I will walk you through the process of creating a virtual tour. First, go to virtualtourscreator.com.au and log into the portal. Click on the Login button to access the VTC portal. If this is your first time, click the Register button and follow the instructions. I'm already registered, so I can log in with my username and password. This is your home section. Here is a tour I've created previously, 5 Purple Street, Miami. And now I'll show you how to create a new one. Start by giving your tour a name, 1 Lane Avenue, Brisbane, for example, and click on the Create Tour button. This will take you to the Editor page. Here is your tour name. You can edit this by clicking this button. Now your tour has been added to the home page. Any panoramas or information you add from now on will be automatically saved. You can access the home page by clicking on Back to Home. To continue editing the tour, click Edit. Now it's time to add your panoramas. Let's give the first one a name. This will be a living room, and it will be automatically assigned to the ground floor. Click to Browse for photos, or simply drag and drop your photo here. To make your work easier, make sure to add a description to your photos before uploading them to the portal. Please remember, you must add a panorama name first in order to add photos. This is a very important step. Finally, click Upload Panorama, and you will see it on the left-hand side. Once you've uploaded the first one, upload another one by clicking Add New Panorama. Let's name it Bedroom. For training purposes, let's assume the room is on a different floor. To add a floor, click on the plus button. Create an additional floor name and assign the room to Floor 1. Drag and drop the photo the same as you did previously, and click Upload Panorama. In this example, I've uploaded only 2 panoramas. However, you can upload up to 20 or 30 panoramas per tour, depending on your subscription. Now that you've uploaded your panoramas, let's go to the next step and add hotspots. A hotspot is a button that allows you to move between rooms or locations and join them into a combined virtual tour. To create one, simply right-click on the place where you want to make a connection between 2 panoramas. Click on the option Create Hotspot to choose the panorama you will connect to. We want to connect the bedroom with the living room, so choose Living Room from the list. Once you have the hotspot set up, click on it and it will take you to the connected room. Add a returning hotspot on the next panorama. Keep adding hotspots to all your panoramas until your tour is ready. Remember to create hotspots to go back to the room you came from. First, we created a hotspot from the bedroom to the living room, and now we've just connected the living room to the bedroom. Finally, you need to set up a Start Panorama and Start Views. Pick one panorama as the start of your tour. Right-click and choose Set as Start Panorama. The tour will always open with the Start Panorama. This panorama will also show as the main photo for the tour. The last step is to set up a Start View in each panorama. This will open the panorama looking in the direction you choose. Choose the direction you want to look at and right-click to choose the Set Start View option. There is also an option to add extra information about the property using the info buttons. To create one, simply right-click on the place where you want to make a note and choose the Add Info option. You can also add a floor plan to your tour. Drag and drop or click to browse and add it. If you wish to create an interactive floor plan, watch the video How to Create an Interactive Floor Plan. Now that the tour is ready, you can preview it by clicking on the Preview button. It will open in a new window. Preview different floors and check hotspots. If you need to make changes, go back to the Editor page. If you are ready to publish, go to the Home page. In your Home section, you will find all the tours you have created. Choose the tour you want to publish and simply click on the Share button. There are two options. The first one allows you to get a link to post on any property portal. The second one gives you HTML code to embed on any website. Thank you for watching. Now go and create your amazing virtual tours with VTC, the Virtual Tours Creator.